Hello, I'm Olumide Macaulay. Here's your Channels Television News update for May the 24th, 2020. Nigeria has recorded 265 new cases of COVID-19, and that's according to the latest figures released by the Nigeria Center for Disease Control. The new infections were confirmed in 12 states and the FCT, with Lagos having 133 new cases, the highest number. This brings the total number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in Nigeria to 7,526, with 2,174 patients discharged, with 221 deaths recorded. To religious matters, Nigeria today joins Muslims around the world in marking this year's Eid-El-Fitr as they bid farewell to the fasting month of Ramadan. However, the COVID-19 pandemic has affected this year's occasion as nations around the world take measures to curb the disease, including the suspension of Eid prayers, outdoor festivals, and other celebratory events. Meanwhile, President Muhammadu Buhari has congratulated the Muslims in Nigeria and asked them to keep their spirits up despite the health crisis. In his Eid-El-Fitr message, the president acknowledged that the COVID-19 pandemic has taken a heavy toll on the people's spiritual, social, and economic lives, dampening what would have been a time of celebration to mark the end of Ramadan. On the international scene, the Taliban have announced a ceasefire with the Afghan government that will take effect today in the spirit of the Eid-El-Fitr festival. The truce comes after a rise in attacks by the hardline Islamist group against government troops in recent weeks. President Ashraf Ghani welcomed the announcement, saying his soldiers will respect the terms of the truce. And in sports, Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez has confirmed that football in the country can return from June the 8th. After more than 2 months disruption due to COVID-19 pandemic, Sanchez announced the return of La Liga games as the lockdown is eased across the country. And that's the news update. Don't forget to join us later for the recap. I'm Olumide Macaulay. Thank you for watching.